massive wildfire broke out in northern Israel. No one saw it coming. Within hours, the flames swallowed everything: trees, homes, even entire neighborhoods. The fire moved like it had a mind of its own. Nothing could stop it. Firefighters tried, but the winds kept shifting, and the heat was unbearable. When the smoke finally cleared, everything was gone, except for 2 mosques. Surrounded by ashes and ruins, the 2 mosques stood perfectly intact. Not a single burn mark, not even the grass around them was touched. People from nearby towns came to see it. Some called it divine protection. Others said it defied logic, but no one could explain it. In a sea of devastation, these 2 buildings became symbols of hope. A reminder that sometimes, even in the worst moments, something greater might be watching. Coincidence, or something more? You decide.